if Akari wants to establish a bigger margin against Choco Mucho, the other players need to score because right now, it has been Eli Soyud and Annie Mitchum scoring for them. Wow!
What a
Grabe
dive.
yung reflexes ni Justin Hazareno.
Steady blockings. Marlies will score the first point for Choco Mucho.
It's so simple.
Middle attack from Fifi will not work. And Cherry Nuna gets it done. Misreceived and a service ace for Sergeant Royce Tubino. Soyud. Ball is slowed down. Marley had to reach. Mitchum. Yes.
No problem for Annie Mitchum.
What a serve by Fifi. Balik kay Molde. Naiangat ni Sharma. Mitchum. Popped up by Tubino. The setup for Soyud. And a chance ball for Akari. From the opposite side, down the line. She is so good. Chance ball for Akari. Middle, Soyud knew what to do with it. Para kay Eli Soyud. And a service ace for Fifi Sharma.
Performance speak volumes. Annie is certainly someone who doesn't dwell on their downs but focuses on lessons and room for improvement. Now let's see if they can continue to shift the momentum on their side. Hi, Neil.
Really good report there by Altea. It's a simple challenge nyo. They've been trying that play for Soyud. And it's 2 for 2. That specific play with Soyud flashing to the middle.
Getting her rhythm here in this match.
A lot of heat on that attack by Gretzel Soltones.
More than
Tubino, Hazareno again.
Mars Alba. Getting another point.
Tough set there for Dina. Tubino will get point number 10.
Sets lalamang ng 4-5 even 6 tapos sa habol yung isang team.
Pipe attack for Soyud. Marley, I was about to say she's been a little quiet.
Set for the Flying Titans but they're still trailing by 1. Slide attack.
How do you stop that? Good response to that run. Akari back with a 3-point lead. Madayag.
Off the block for Betty Madayag. Serving for the Flying Titans, Tia Andaya.
So in this current lineup of Choco Mucho, they have 3 opposite hitters. You have Dindin Santiago Manabat, Kat Tolentino, and Marley Smith.
Andaya just entered. Soyud. Mid-air switch up. Combination play. Binalik ni Molde. That's very tight. Soltones was well defended by Bia General. And Molde will cut this lead down to 1.
Di niya dinikit, di rin sobrang layo. It's the right distance.
Hazareno. A bump set. And no coverage after the check. Andaya. Chance here, one-handed set. Muntikan. Dindin. From the bench.
Santiago Manabat.
Rejected.
Got 2 points for Dindin Santiago Manabat.
Kneeling set. Going right. Tobino, a chance for the lead. No whistle. We shall continue. Andaya to Dindin Santiago Manabat.
Wow.
And a bit of breathing room for Choco Mucho. From the pipe, Annie Mitchum bombs away.
As expected. All else fails. But how?
Maddie, setter for Dindin with the block breaker. Yes, 2 blockers present. Soltones out of bounds on the sharp cross.
Will Akari challenge Choco Mucho to a deuce point?
Mitchum got the bounce. That's 2 straight. Tobino returned. Santiago Manabat is denied, but good recovery for Choco Mucho. Annie Mitchum will try. That's 3 straight points for the Akari Chargers. Dina to Nunag. Mitchum looking to tie. Tobino for the finisher.
Tobino.